Today, in my second step forward, the theory of everything, I will go back to my experiment just to prove something else. And it's also a discovery to prove that there is a repulsion between gravity and heat. I will do the step I did before to prove gravity, but this time I will heat the metallic subject and I will forward it to the drop of water to see the opposite action, repulsion, and the drop of water is running far away from the heated subject, and this proves why the drop of water is not touching the surface, hot surface, but flying over. So we are proving here that there is a repulsion between gravity and heat. In fact, when we are saying gravity now, we are talking about the other side of heat, because gravity is an energy and it's converted from heat. It's like we are speaking about repulsion between the same magnet poles. We are speaking exactly as we are speaking about that subject, repulsion with gravity. And this matter is going to give us a real understanding for orbits around sun, orbits around planets. Anyway, another subject another subject I'll speak about today, while I'm speaking about repulsions. I'm speaking today about Newton law of gravitation. M1 multiplied by M2 multiplied by G divided by distance square is equal to gravity. I'm so sorry to say that this is not right. The calculation is completely correct given results, but it's not for gravity, it's for repulsion between masses. Masses have repulsion between each other. And why did Mr. Isaac Newton law of gravitation has worked successfully day to day? Not in all cases. Just because all the time we are calculating the balance point between gravity and repulsion of masses, and the other side of calculation is gravity as energy. We proved repulsion between gravity and heat. We proved gravity as converted energy. And before I finish this tube registration, I would also remind you of the shape of the flame of the candle in zero gravity. If we all know the shape of the flame of the candle in Earth, but when we light it in space or in zero gravity, it will take the shape of a blob. It will be. We will show it in this video, and also I will remind you about tides. Tides, when it occurs, facing the moon or the side under the moon, we can understand why these tides are occurring this side, but the other side of the planet is also facing tides. This proves that between masses are no gravity. Between masses are repulsion. Something else. Why Newton laws and calculations did not exactly succeeded in all cases. In some cases, like Mercury, did not give perfect results because, as we said, Mercury is a planet which is not producing any more gravity. Mercury does not rotate its center, and this proves that the center is empty. The ocean of water, the sphere of water, which produced one day gravity, it does not exist anymore. It was vaporized. And also another proven my theory that we can see all these craters out in the surface of Mercury, and the moon also. The moon, Luna, is not producing gravity. Repulsion and only repulsion, and because of this, nobody has landed on moon. Moon landing was fake. I'm not saying because of the photo, the flag, or blah blah blah. No, because the moon has no gravity. You cannot put your leg on the moon. Forget it. Moon has no gravity. It was a lie. It was a lie. Please wait for my next tube. The third step forward, the theory of everything. There is the big surprise.